English Idioms Unveiled, Understanding, at a Steal. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, at a steal. This idiom is common in everyday conversations and can be a bit puzzling for English learners. So, let's dive in and decode its meaning together. The phrase, at a steal, is used to describe purchasing something at a very low price, much less than its actual value. It's like saying you got an incredible deal or a bargain that feels almost like you've stolen it, but legally, of course. This idiom is often used to express excitement or satisfaction over a good deal. Understanding the origin of idioms can often make them easier to remember. The term, at a steal, likely comes from the idea that getting something so cheaply is almost equivalent to stealing. However, there's no illegal activity here. It's just a playful way to describe a great bargain. Let's see how at a steal is used in everyday language. 1. Shopping context. I got this designer dress at a steal during the clearance sale. 2. Real estate. They bought that large house at a steal. It was a market anomaly. 3. General bargains. I found these vintage books at a steal at the flea market. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts to express getting something valuable for a very low price. Context is key. Use this phrase when discussing bargains or great deals. In formal settings, at a steal is more suitable for casual conversations. Variations. You might also hear, a steal of a deal, or, got it for a steal. And that's a wrap on, at a steal. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a fun way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.